Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to remove door handles from the BMW 3 Series G20. So let's go. When you open the doors on the side, there is a rubber cap here. You need to remove it. And there is a hole, of course, and inside there is a screw. I'll try to show you with this light. It's kind of hard to see it on camera. I can see it in real life, but I'll try to show you on camera as well. There is the key, there is the screw. I cannot focus on it properly, but you can see it. White plastic around it and a screw inside. You're gonna need this tool, Torx T20, like a star on the top. So you need to insert it right there and unscrew this part. You need to turn your tool 3.5 times, and there you go. Now just pull on the door handle and you're good to go. Now if you want to remove it completely, you just unplug these two connections and that's it. I don't need to remove this plastic because I'm only polishing this part here, but if you want to remove this, you're gonna need another tool. I think it's a 5mm Allen key, and it's right here on the side as well. You need to pop that key inside and unscrew that as well if you want to remove that, but this is just for the door handle. I hope this video helped you, so leave a thumbs up. See you again.